We are RST from Taiwan, and this is our newest product, an airsoft grenade. It got a mechanical countdown system, and we can set it as 1 second, 6 seconds, and 10 seconds. And it's just capacity has 18 BBs in each hole, and you can put your gas in at here. And let's just have a look at how it explodes. This is a 1 second booty bomb set, and you can pull it out, and after 1 second it will explode. And we also have a 6 second set and 10 second set. Just put it over and put it in, and it's simple, just like this. And we have do it as a high drop test by 3-4 high. Just drop it down, and it's just okay. It's durable. It's okay too. We have already tested, so you don't have to worry about it.